In this video, I'll be demonstrating auscultation for a respiratory assessment. I will be comparing the lobes of the left and right lungs, listening for any differences or any additional noises. For this, I'll use my stethoscope, and I'm going to start at the first and second rib, listening for the top of the right and left upper lobes. I'll then move down to the third and fourth ribs, which will give me the base of the right upper lobe and the middle of the left upper lobe. I can then move down to the sixth rib, which will give me the right middle lobe and the base of the left upper lobe. For female patients, this probably isn't the best as it's around the breast area, but I can move around to the side for that. As well as the reason for moving to the side is because on the left hand side, around there you can normally hear the heart, and that interferes with any noises you can hear. I can then move round to the patient's back, and if I listen around the level of the 10th rib, this gives me the base of the left and right lower lobes. I can then move up to around the 6th pair of ribs to gain the middle of the left and right lower lobes. And I can then finish off by moving up to about the 3rd, 4th rib, listening to the top of the left and right lower lobes. And that's how I perform auscultation.